Let x1, x2 and so on xn be a random sample from continuous distribution with probability density function as theta x to the power theta minus 1. So we need to find which of the following statements are correct, or which of the statistics are sufficient. So if we consider f of x comma theta, so that is nothing but the product I is equals to 1 to n. Sorry, this is theta into x to the power theta minus 1 for 0 less than x less than 1. So for a random sample x1, x2 and so on xn, we can find the likelihood. So likelihood L theta given like x1, x2 and so on xn, so that is nothing but product I is equals to 1 to n theta xi whole to the power theta minus 1, which is theta to the power of n, the product I is equals to 1 to n xi whole to the power theta minus 1. So if we denote this by some t, so we can see that the likelihood depends on the data only through this t. So therefore t is equals to product I is equals to 1 to n xi is sufficient for theta. So if we consider the first option, so first option is trivially sufficient anytime. Option D is also correct because we have just seen. And if we consider like option C, so this alone is not sufficient because the likelihood is dependent on the product, not the sum. And if we consider option B, so the joint PDF depends on the same product and a combinatorial factor because it is independent of theta. Order statistics, even if we take the product, like we'll get the actual thing. So even order statistics will also be sufficient. So therefore like A, B and D are correct options. The correct answer will be A, B and D.